Is Panasonic TV Android? Let's clarify. No, Panasonic TVs do not run on the Android TV platform. Instead, they use their proprietary smart platform called My Home Screen. This interface provides access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video, but it is more basic and less versatile compared to Android TV or other platforms like Samsung's Tizen OS. While My Home Screen has improved over the years, offering simplicity and ease of use, it lacks the extensive app ecosystem and customization options of Android TV. If Android TV is important to you, brands like Sony or TCL might be a better fit. That said, Panasonic TVs are still a solid choice for those who prioritize picture quality and reliability over advanced smart features. Always check the model specifications if you're looking for specific smart functionalities. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.